Morning, guys. Remy, Anthony, guys, can I get a sound check, please? Sound. Sound check, fellas.
And may now speak to any other organizers or panelists on the line. When you are ready.
All right, good. Gave me some fits trying to log in. And obviously, we had a sound check issue. But in any event, all right, good. So we have sound. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is hump day. It is Wednesday, January 24th. As you guys can see, the bots are down $130 coming into the session. I currently have gold and the NASDAQ on. There's only been a couple of, good morning, Francesco. There's only been a few trades. It looks like we're going to trade to 686 from here. Another, what looks like another pre-market rip higher, and then probably chop. We do have Tesla reporting today. And this just looks like an ugly, I'm guessing, I could be dead wrong, but it looks similar to yesterday. In any event, we're here. We trade what we have, not what we want. We'll see what we can come up with today. Good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back to day 3. For most of you, today is the 3rd day of your trial. We do have somebody that started yesterday, and I do have one starting today. We also have a few of you, Remy, a couple other folks from last week that actually conclude today. So your trials will end today. But nonetheless, good morning and welcome back, guys. Going to need to change their hours from, I know, right? 6 a.m. to 9. I mean, this is just since last week. It's been a week of this, and we had a big push up yesterday, as we had talked about. I posted it in Skype. That I think I posted it. And we had a very decent positive delta all day long. Markets just kind of chopped around, and then at the end of the day, we got. I did post it in Skype. I put a trade in Skype. We got that move. I got the target, and we went another 40 handles or so above that. 87 is where this is headed. Golly, I hate this. In any event, nonetheless, hopefully today I won't have to shut down Ninja and restart it or reboot it. I cleaned up my files yesterday. We'll see if we get the dreaded Ninja lag. I've been watching these markets since 4:30, and they're quiet to longs. 87, 88 is target at this point, guys. All right, let me do what I do every day. Let's read the disclaimer. We'll take a look at some charts. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. This thing's the slowest moving trade in history. We will probably bounce 71.50, 72. I'm going to move this up a tick, 72.75. We'll probably maybe 73. I'm going to go 73 quarter. It's not much, but we're going to bounce here off this 68%. If you guys want profits, take them. Your prerogative. Come on, 3 more, 2 more. All right, target 1 filled. Target 1 filled. We're going to bounce here off value area high. But I'm going to hold 1 for a breakdown to 64, 65. If you guys want to take if you have runners, if you want to take them off, take your money, take it. Your prerogative. We've got pretty good 15-minute support at that 63. So I'm kind of liking that. We need to get below here. This little swing. Apparently the bot is short. It is. I'll move the chart off the screen so you guys can see the bot. No. Oh, yeah, it's up and running. I'm not running it now. I also sent you an email on that. I need sellers. I need sellers here. Small unfinished auction. That's gone. I still like the short side guys down to 63, 64. But small sellers here. Again, if you guys want your money, feel free to take it. Your prerogative. I'm pulling this lower. We're setting up for a rebound. 77.50, maybe 78.50 for the stop. Basically break even. Some buyers stepping in here. New 15-minute bar. Doop-de-doo. Losing buyers. Get a new 10-minute bar here in 3.5 minutes. I definitely like the long between 45 and 55. There we go. Come on. Push, come on. Not going far on 11 sellers. 15, 18, 7, no sequential decline. Come on. Low vol. We only traded 1,200 contracts in the previous bar. Come on. We held some 10-minute support. Next 10-minute bar is still 2 minutes and change away. I still like the short. I know where I'd like to be long. That's our target, that hourly support. Got a higher low open on the 3-minute. We need to break down below this swing here on the 3-minute. Come on, give us a flush. I don't have a sequential decline. We're only because of that 69 quarter. 50, 16, 14, 13, 10. Now I do. Right? 50, 17, no. 20 and 20. No. No decline. We're holding 10-minute support. I suspect if we're going to break down, it's going to be in 39 seconds if this is going to push lower on the next bar. And if we break below 66, I mean, we could get a push back to VWAP, potentially. Ten seconds to the next bar on the 10-minute. Come on, break. There it is. Come on, push down to 65, 66 area. I mean, they're trading ones. We traded 1,300 contract, 1,320 in the previous 5-minute bar. The volume is obviously low. Come on, snap it. 1, 2 sellers on the bottom, not helping. 3 sellers. 1 tick. Again, if you guys want your money, your prerogative. I can tell you what has to happen to get us to that final target. If we catch this swing, I think we'll push down 66, may give it a little bit of a stall, but I still think we get ultimately 64. And I think I'm sitting at 65 here. Yeah, 65 I'm sitting at. Look at these sellers on the bottom. There's nothing here. 1. Come on, snap that. Excuse me. Come on, one tick. Good enough. Close enough for me, guys. One tick. It's $5. Flat. Now, if you guys want to hold this, if this can break down now below 62, you got to be shooting me. Par for the course. I closed the trade and it goes. So where we stopped here, this 58, if 58 breaks, we get 53, then 49, then 46, if anybody's still holding. Par for the course. Here it comes. Order filled. Oh, the bot, this bot just flipped into a short, but no add-ins. Anybody still holding? I'll give you targets. You're going to bounce 50-ish. Should bounce somewhere around here. Anybody holding still? Okay, Irfan. All right, I'm shutting these bots off for now. Bots are up 330. 330. Thank you, Mark. All right, if you guys took the trade, we're on the board. So I'm not gassed, but we're trying to go long. I'm not taking any trade yet. I'm just giving you observation. Just sit tight. So my area that I like is between 50 and 55. Okay, coming into this, I'm digging the volatility, fellas. We just pinged off 44 again, value area low. That's it. That may be all we get. I shut my crude bot off. 56 was the entry. All kinds of buyers here now. 1100 in this bar. Going up. See, we look. Remember I told you we had to pull lower the 68 here? We pulled it down with the retracement, and now this is going to trade back up. We're going back to the high and probably going to break it out. A little bit of resistance right here at 84. Through this, here we go. We're going to go to 95, and then 708 becomes target. Small sequential decline on the top of the current bar. Really want to stay above this standard deviation. Got a big seller just showed up here. 206. There we go. 3 contract just took a long and got target. Just got a long and target on the 3. 1 contract is long also. Delta's back over 2,000 and no real continuation. Just monstrously annoying. Come on, this should break out. This should push to 95 area and then break out. Opening range high is the high of the day, which is always fun. Got a $400 runner here on the bot. This has 1 on, 320. I still have not gotten a trade on the 500 tick. Where's your 500 tick? You know, when I rebuilt it, I changed some settings. Because yesterday I cleared all my data. I'm assuming it was a winner, Brett. Yeah, my settings are off. Your 500 is up 290. Yeah. So I changed a few settings yesterday when I cleared my cache and reset my database and everything. I don't know if you guys know this, but for your edification, we got a $500 runner here, guys, on the NASDAQ. So the bot, if I close the trade right now, the bots would be up $1,000. Here it comes. Here she. Come on, let's go. We're at 01. Yep. $700 runner. I'll redo them. I'll redo them today for you guys. There we go. Dun, da, da, da. Bots bots had a good day. Now it's up to you guys. You want to, here comes the all-time high at 710. Oh, you're going to fail? No, you're not. There's no way in hell we don't get a new all-time high. There's no way. I guess there is a way. Come on. Here we go. Come on. You got 08. It's going to 12, guys. It's going to 12. 3 contract is long. I don't know why the 1 contract didn't take a trade. They usually take similar trades. Got 1 contract of the 2, or got 1 out of the 3. Split fill. All right, target filled here. All-time high, guys. 1 tick lower high. Woo! No, didn't take it out. Trailing stop on the NASDAQ. If this takes it out, guys, I'm done trading bots today. That's it. We should be up over $1,000. So this is now kind of a failed breakout, right? We've set a new all-time high, broke back below the old all-time high. This could be a failed breakout now. I have no way of knowing. Hourly target now is 797. Anybody long from that 56? Looks like we're going to pull back maybe to 88. Maybe back down to here. If we break below 90, maybe 94, we could come down to 83. Could. You were just stopped at, oh, so was I. All right. My bots are off. I'm done for the day with bots. I don't even know. I haven't looked at it. It's down $100 for me. 125 on that. I haven't even looked at it. I don't pay any attention to it because it's not complete. For those of you guys that are on trial, I am done with bots. They're up $1,000, 1,075. It's a good day. Everybody made money today, right? I don't care if you made $1. You got paid to come to work. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. Bot was up 1,075. We're green across the board. Everybody made money. At least nobody has said, you're welcome, Dennis. No one has said anything contrary. I'll see everyone tomorrow at 8 a.m. Trial members, I thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. For my members,